For this centerpiece, I'm going to be using these 4 frames from the Dollar Tree. So now we're left with the 4 empty frames. And what I'm going to do is glue them together, as you see here. I staggered them, so this one is on the inside, that's on the outside, this one's on the inside, and then this side will be on the outside. And this centerpiece I'm putting together in more of a farmhouse style. The other ones were a little glam. The next thing I'm going to do is use this. I'm going to use this piece of wood as the base, and it's more than just a piece of wood, it's something that hangs on the wall. I removed the little piece here, it had this left, but I'm going to keep this on. And this is what it looks like in the front. I purchased this at the Goodwill. So this project can be done with any piece of wood, I would say, as the base, because it makes it a little more farmhouse looking. So I'm just going to put that there. And now the difference things that we can do for the inside is candles. So I have 3 options for candles. Option number 1 is this one here with a nice dome here. We'll place this in the middle and then put the candle right there with it. And then on the glass, I'm just going to glue these flowers around. And these flowers happen to come from the Dollar Tree as well, but you can get flowers from anywhere. This is just a cost-efficient, budget-friendly way to do this. And then put this right around it. This is option 1. And then the other option is a different type of candle. So to switch this one out for this one here. And then the third option would involve 3 candles. And then we'll put this back on. And then place flowers around the sides like this.